Hey, what's up DIYers? Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Samsung dryers today. In the event that your control panel or entire system is not powering up, we're going to show you a friendly system reset that will hopefully get it back working again. All right, DIYers, inside the utility room, on the left-hand side is our Samsung washing machine. On the right-hand side is our Samsung dryer. That's what we will be addressing in this video. And again, in the event that your control panel is not turning on, nothing's happening with your power button, here's what we're going to do. Come to the back side, verify that your power cord is fully plugged in and flush with the outlet itself or receptacle. Next thing we will do is head to our household circuit breaker panel. Here is our main household circuit breaker panel. Yours may be slightly different in size. In our case, we have this diagram here, and we have our washer and dryer on circuit breaker panel 20. I want you to shift this to the off position for a minimum of 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, go ahead and carefully turn the circuit breaker back on. Close your circuit breaker panel. Back upstairs inside the utility room, go ahead and press your power button. And hopefully you are back up and running. Go ahead and run a test cycle to ensure that your dryer does what it is designed to do and dry your clothes. And hopefully all goes as planned. However, in the unlikely event that it does not, believe it or not, there is an additional procedure that you can perform. And what we will do is post that video above. That is scrolling above. Definitely check that out. Again, in the event that this does not solve your issue, the other procedure may. So with that said, hopefully this helps. However, in the event that it does not, we will see you at the next video to hopefully get your dryer up and running again properly and efficiently as designed. From here, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel, definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We would really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.